Have you ever wondered how the world around us works, how the birds sing, how the flowers bloom, or how the rivers flow? Our planet is a giant living laboratory where the magic of science is on display every day. From the morning dew on a spider's web to the majestic dance of the northern lights, each is a testament to the incredible laws of nature. Imagine the countless experiments happening all around us, as if nature is a tireless scientist, ceaselessly working to maintain the delicate balance of life. Today we're going to tap into this natural laboratory, conducting our own experiments right here in the great outdoors. We'll explore the power of the sun, the mechanics of weather, and even the magic of photosynthesis. We'll try to understand the language of the winds, the whispers of the plants. Through simple yet exciting experiments, we'll witness firsthand the miraculous science that shapes our world. So why not explore this fascinating world with some simple yet exciting science experiments? Ever wondered how weather forecasters predict atmospheric pressure? You can do it too, right at your backyard. So today, we're creating a homemade barometer, a simple yet effective tool to measure atmospheric pressure. And guess what? You can build it with items you probably have lying around at home. Let's get started. First, we need a glass jar. This will serve as the base of our barometer. Next, we'll need a balloon. Now, we're not throwing a party, but this balloon will act as our sensor for pressure changes. We'll cut the balloon in half and stretch it over the mouth of the jar, fastening it with a rubber band to create a tight seal. This forms our barometer's membrane. Next, we need a straw. This will be our pointer. We'll attach the straw to the balloon with some tape, positioning it so that one end is over the balloon and the other end is hanging off to the side. This straw will move up and down with changes in the atmospheric pressure. Finally, we're going to need a ruler. We'll place it next to the straw and use it to measure the movements of the straw. And voila, we have created a homemade barometer. But how does this contraption work? Well, it's all about the science of pressure. The air around us has weight, and it pushes against everything it touches. That's atmospheric pressure. When the atmospheric pressure rises, it pushes the balloon into the jar, causing the straw to rise. And when the pressure drops, the balloon puffs out and the straw falls. By observing these changes, we can predict weather patterns. High pressure often brings sunny skies, while low pressure can indicate stormy weather ahead. This experiment is a great way to explore the principles of meteorology and understand the invisible forces at play in our atmosphere. So the next time you're curious about the weather, just take a look at your homemade barometer. Now you have your very own barometer and can observe changes in atmospheric pressure on your own. Did you know you can cook using just the power of the sun? Let's explore the power of solar energy. Solar energy is a renewable, abundant, and most importantly, free source of power. It's the energy we receive from the sun, which can be converted into thermal or electrical energy. It's clean, it's green, and it's an incredible resource that we can tap into right in our backyards. Now let's have some fun and create a simple solar oven using everyday items you probably have lying around at home. First, you'll need a pizza box. You'll also need some aluminum foil, plastic wrap, and black paper. The pizza box will serve as the body of our oven. The aluminum foil will reflect sunlight into the box, the plastic wrap will trap heat inside, and the black paper will absorb heat. Start by cutting a flap in the lid of the pizza box, leaving about an inch border on the sides and front. Then cover the inside of the flap and the inside bottom of the box with aluminum foil. Make sure the shiny side is facing up to reflect as much sunlight as possible. Next, cover the opening created by the flap with plastic wrap, securing it with tape. This will create a window that allows sunlight to enter the box and traps heat inside. Finally, line the bottom of the box with black paper to absorb the heat. Place your solar oven outside in a sunny spot. Adjust the foil-covered flap to reflect sunlight into the box. The heat from the sun will be trapped inside the oven, and voila, you can cook your favorite treats using just the power of the sun. But don't just take my word for it, try it out. See for yourself how the sun's energy can be harnessed and used in practical ways. With this solar oven, you can harness the power of the sun to cook some delicious treats. Have you ever wondered how plants create their own food? It's all thanks to a magical process called photosynthesis. Let's dive into this enchanting world by conducting a simple experiment. All you need is a leaf, a glass of water, and a sunny location. Place the leaf in the glass of water and set it in a spot where it can bask in the sunlight. Over time, you'll notice tiny bubbles forming on the surface of the leaf. These bubbles are oxygen, released by the leaf as a byproduct of photosynthesis. But what exactly is photosynthesis? In essence, it's a process where plants convert sunlight into energy. They capture light energy using a pigment called chlorophyll, which gives plants their green color. This energy is then used to convert carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil into glucose, a type of sugar that serves as the plant's food. Oxygen, as we observed in our experiment, is released as a byproduct. Photosynthesis is the backbone of life on Earth. It's the primary source of oxygen in the atmosphere, making it vital for our survival. But it doesn't stop there. The glucose produced during photosynthesis is consumed by animals when they eat plants, providing them with the energy they need to grow and thrive. This energy is then transferred through the food chain from prey to predator, making photosynthesis essential for all life forms. Moreover, photosynthesis plays a crucial role in combating climate change. By absorbing carbon dioxide, a major greenhouse gas, plants help to regulate the Earth's temperature, maintaining the delicate balance of our planet's climate system. So the next time you're out in nature, take a moment to appreciate the greenery around you. Each leaf, each blade of grass is a tiny factory tirelessly working to convert sunlight into life-giving energy. It's a testament to the incredible power of nature and the intricate, interconnected web of life that sustains us all. Through this experiment, you can witness the magic of photosynthesis right before your eyes. So we've journeyed through some amazing science experiments today, haven't we? We've seen the magic of science and nature and how we can use simple household items to explore and understand the world around us. First, we delved into the world of meteorology with our homemade barometer. By using just a jar, a balloon, and a straw, we discovered how to measure atmospheric pressure and predict weather changes. Isn't it remarkable how something so simple can give us such powerful insights into the workings of our planet's weather system? Then we harnessed the boundless energy of the sun with our solar oven experiment. Using just a pizza box, aluminum foil, and plastic wrap, we baked a tasty treat using nothing but sunlight. The power of the sun is immense, and with a bit of ingenuity, we can tap into that energy for our benefit. This experiment not only demonstrates the potential of renewable energy, but also shows us how we can use science to be more sustainable in our daily lives. Next, we explored the magic of photosynthesis, the process that sustains life on Earth. With our leaf chromatography experiment, we unraveled the mystery of how plants transform sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into oxygen and glucose. This process is the foundation of life as we know it, and being able to see it in action is truly awe-inspiring. Each of these experiments shows us that science is not just something we learn in school. It's a tool we can use to understand and interact with the world around us. And the best part? You don't need a fancy lab or expensive equipment. You can be a scientist in your own backyard, using things you can find around your home. These experiments are not just fun activities, they are gateways to a deeper understanding of the natural phenomena that shape our lives. They teach us to be curious, to ask questions, and to seek answers. They show us that science is not a collection of facts, but a way of thinking and understanding the world. So I encourage you, try these experiments. See the magic of science unfold before your eyes. Look around you at the world in all its complexity and beauty. There is science in the rustling leaves, in the setting sun, in the falling rain. There is science in everything, waiting to be discovered. Remember, the world around you is a giant laboratory. So go out, explore, experiment, and discover the magic of science and nature.